So welcome back everyone, happy Monday. Today I'm going to share with you how you can create a really simple centerpiece for fall. Now, you know, if you've been following me for any amount of time, I always talk about purchasing investment pieces, and an investment piece is something that you put a little bit of money into in the beginning, and then it's something that you can use over and over and over again. And so I'm really big on making those investment purchases. Now, this bowl used to sit on our mantle, but I'm going to actually use it on our kitchen island. And I'm going to share with you how you can put together like the easiest centerpiece that is going to look really beautiful and bring in all those different elements of fall that we all love. So I actually have put together our base, and it's really simple to do. So I'm just gonna share with you the steps I went through to do that, and then I will move you closer so that we can put our beautiful fall items inside of our bowl. All I did was, inside of my bowl here, I put in some moss grass. As you can see, the moss grass is our base. And then I took some of the leaf stems that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I've used them in several of my decorating pieces for fall. And the thing I love about using things like moss grass is that you can simply tuck in your branches here, one of your stems, just push it in to the moss grass, and you don't have to worry about using styrofoam or anything like that to be your base, because the moss grass is going to build up your bowl, and it's also going to act as a foundation for you to stick all your leaves in. So I used 4 of the dried leaf picks that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I put my moss grass in, and then I just went around and I layered in all of the leaves around the bowl. Now, I did want to make sure that they did come over the edge a little bit, and I wanted to make sure that there were some in the center. I wanted it nice and full. So I'm going to move the camera so that you can be right here up close while we put in our beautiful fall decor pieces. Okay, so we have the foundation of our bowl all put together. Like I said, we've got our moss grass, we have our greenery, so we have our nice bed and foundation here. What we're going to use is this bag of filler that I got from Hobby Lobby. It has pine cones in it, it has little berries, and it has a few pumpkins and a few gourds. And so that is what we're going to use to fill our bowl. So I'm just going to take these items out and just start placing them in here and see what we come up with. Okay, so what I decided to do first was layer in our pine cones. And I just strategically placed pine cones on sort of each of the sides and the front and the back. That way we have some of the large pine cones here, and then, you know, a few of the little smaller ones in here. And now we'll start placing in our pumpkins. Okay, so now our bowl is complete. And as you can see, I just placed in our pumpkins, our pine cones, some of our little pip berries, and we've got our beautiful bed of leaves for everything to rest on. And this is going to sit here in the center of our kitchen island. So I will give you a close-up look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, when you purchase items, think of things that are going to work beautifully as investment pieces, things that you can use over and over again. I love this. It's a nice low profile. It's going to work beautifully on our island here. And I love the fact that it's all contained into one place because I can just simply pick it up and move it out of the way whenever I need that surface space to work with. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here as part of the At Home with Zane family. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook. It's all on there. It's a one-stop shop. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.